Hello, everyone around the world. Welcome back to Learn English Fast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. This is the podcast where you relax, listen, and slowly improve your English.
If you are new here, this series is for beginners and intermediate learners.
You can listen while walking, cooking, resting, or before sleeping.
Today is episode 3, and our tip is one of the most powerful. Tip 3, think in English, not in your native language.
Part 1. Why your brain needs English. Lisa, when I learned another language, I translated everything.
Yes, and that makes your brain tired.
You think, you translate, you speak. That is slow.
But when you think in English, your brain becomes faster.
You don't feel afraid to speak.
Part 2. What translation feels like. Many learners say, I freeze when I speak.
They are thinking too much.
They are afraid of mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning. Part 3. Mark's real day. This morning, I woke up and thought, I am sleepy. I need water.
Then you are thinking in English.
I looked outside and said, the weather is nice.
Part 4. Simple sentence thinking. Start with easy sentences. I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy.
No grammar stress.
Part 5. Home practice. At home, name objects.
Table, chair, door.
Part 6. Outside practice. Describe people.
He is walking. She is smiling.
Part 7. Daily routine thinking. Morning, I will study. Afternoon, I am working. Night, I am resting.
Part 8. Positive thinking. Say, I can learn English.
I am improving. Part 9. Long practice. Repeat slowly. I am thinking in English. I am becoming better. I am confident.
Keep practicing.
Your English is growing every day.
See you in episode 4.